Continuing through our journey through the court cards, and this week we are looking at the Page of Wands. Page of Wands is associated with the element of fire, symbolizing enthusiasm, creativity, and action. As a page, it represents a youthful and inexperienced approach to these qualities, brimming with potential and curiosity. This card often indicates new ideas and ventures, the beginning stages of a creative or a personal project. The exploration is also in this card. It's a desire to discover uncharted territories, whether literally or metaphorically. It's a card of enthusiasm and confidence, the courage to step forwards passionately, even if the outcome is uncertain. It's a card of messages and opportunities, a sign that news or inspiration is coming. The Rider-Waite depiction of the Page of Wands is simple, yet evocative. The page is holding a wand. The wand is a symbol of growth, creativity, and ambition. The page of stance suggests they examine their potential or envision the path ahead. The barren landscape. Well, while the background appears dry and desolate, the Page of Wands is budding, symbolizing growth and opportunity, even in unpromising circumstances. It reflects the page's ability to bring life and creativity to any situation. The page's attire, while the salamander motif on their tunic represents transformation, adaptability, and the fiery energy of creativity. In esoteric traditions, salamanders are often associated with the element of fire. The bright sky, well, the clear sky indicates a sense of clarity and optimism, underscoring the page's positive outlook. This imagery reflects the potential of the Page of Wands to bring passion and creativity to life, no matter what the challenges are. The astrological association. So the Page of Wands is commonly associated with Sagittarius, which is a mutable fire sign, and its ruling planet is Jupiter. So this is a card of courage and pioneering spirit. The Page of Wands reflects Sagittarius' adventure and the confident energy and eagerness to take on new challenges. Jupiter as the ruler is expansion and growth, and Jupiter governs the desire to grow beyond limitations and reach for more. So this card indicates expansion in knowledge, experiences, wealth, and personal growth. Through this lens, the Page of Wands symbolizes ambition, creativity, and the fearless pursuit of one's passion. Some key interpretations. Positive traits: excitement and passion, new ideas, projects, or adventures with inspired enthusiasm. Inspiration: bursts of creativity or the discovery of new talents. Courage to start. This card is the willingness to take risks and step outside of one's comfort zone. Personal growth: a period of self-discovery and exploration. Some negative aspects of this card are restlessness, the desire to move forwards but feeling blocked or uncertain. Impulsiveness, which means acting too quickly without planning or foresight. Unrealized potential, lacking the confidence or direction to harness your creativity fully. And a card, of course, of burnout, where one loses interest in a project or spreading oneself too thin. Let's have a look at some of the key words for this card. So who is the Page of Wands in a reading? Well, the Page of Wands may appear as a person in your life, someone who is enthusiastic, adventurous, and full of creative energy. A younger individual or someone with that youthful, spontaneous nature. Even a messenger bringing exciting news or inspiration. This, of course, can be an aspect of yourself where there is a call to embrace your inner explorer and follow your passions. A reminder to approach life with curiosity and optimism. It can also be a situation which is the start of maybe a new creative project, an adventure, or an exciting opportunity. It's a period of exploration and discovery, where you're called upon to trust your instincts and take risks. The barren landscape in the background of this card reminds us that creativity and passion can thrive even in challenging environments. So the Page of Wands suggests that success is determined not by the circumstances, but by the energy that you bring to them. The salamanders on the page's tunic symbolize transformation, reinforcing that this card is about turning potential into action and growth. When interpreting the Page of Wands, focus on inspiration and growth. Look at questions such as what new opportunities or ideas are presenting themselves. How can you harness your creative energy? Consider its element, which of course is fire. Is this a time for bold action, risk-taking, or self-expression? Remember that fire represents passion and the need to temper impulsivity. Look at the context in the spread. Is the page encouraging you to take that first step or warning you to balance enthusiasm with careful planning? So in a nutshell, the Page of Wands symbolizes the spark of creativity, passion, and adventure. Its association with Sagittarius and Jupiter highlights its fiery, action-orientated nature. And its Rider-Waite imagery reflects the potential for growth even in the most challenging circumstances. So whether representing a person, a mindset, a situation, well, the Page of Wands encourages you to embrace your adventurous spirit, to take risks, and to pursue your passions with courage and optimism. This card reminds us that the journey of creativity and exploration starts with a single enthusiastic step. Thank you for watching. The court cards, I know, are something that people do get confused about. However, take your time, enjoy, and get to know them. Knowing the elements and the astrological associations is a big help. I'm going to bring on my courses in case you want to take your journey a little further. Until next time, thank you for watching.